PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this nice old electric Smith Corona. Pretty much have it ready. Just need to reassemble and test it. And while I was doing the final test, I thought, well, yeah, I start cleaning the keyboard. Kind of the last thing I got to do here. And the backspace is, well, not working. Plus, it's not coming back up. So I took a look at the linkage, and you know, it's pretty basic backspace on these, except for this one is the electric version, and the backspace stuff is all underneath this motor. There's pivots right underneath this frame. The linkage is right there. You can see it moving, and it cuts across to the standard backspace linkage that's on all these Smith Coronas, which is right here, and it's flopping around. So it's like it's disconnected or something, but it's really no axis under here. So I'm going to remove the motor on this and see if we can fix this thing. So first thing that's got to be done is the clutch has to come off here, because you got to get the shaft through that hole right there. So that comes off with a couple screws here, which is just as well. I'll make sure this is all rebuilt proper. I mean, I flushed it out anyhow, but taking it out and redoing that shaft, that's still a little dirty, so redoing the shaft and getting to these bearings is never a bad idea. So okay, so we get that off. I think that's all we got to do here. This motor is definitely different than the other ones I've worked on. It's got different mounts. And it looks like this frame comes off 1, 2, 3, and then this mount, this rubber mount, has to come off too. That's what I'm going to assume has to be done. So let's start with the big guy down here. So these two rubber mounts don't have to come off, I don't think. I know this bottom one looks like it's part of the screwing right into the back frame. I'm pretty sure that's got to come out. Yeah, let's take this one out. And then these two up here. I'm hoping this thing just flops right on out of here. Then I'm hoping it's something that's a simple repair, like link off or something. Okay, so it's pretty loose. Alright, perfectamundo. This tape is pretty old. This tape really just holds this against here, and it's not going anywhere, so I'm gonna cut this off here. I was initially holding these wires, but they're not gonna move. Aha! I see the problem, and I'm so glad at what I see, because I found a screw fell out of this when I was cleaning it. Oh boy, this whole piece just fell way out of whack here. Okay. Okay, well, this just got displaced. Get this back some type of order here. There we go. Okay, so it's got threads right here, and this is a wide opening right here, and the screw I found is right over here. It's a little shoulder screw, and I was looking already where it would go, so this has got a little shoulder on it, and I guarantee that's what fits right in here. So I thought maybe I accidentally broke this while I was cleaning it, but that's not the case. It was broken to begin with. So this goes right behind here. In fact, I can move the button over there. There we go. and connects right there, and that's going to hold this steady. That explains the whole thing. Let's see if I can get this thing in here. So this goes, and this piece comes in behind it, and that's going to fix it. I'm sure I'm going to get this started back here, but alright, this is not very convenient. Okay, let's see if I can get this in free. Get this started. Back here, come on, buddy. There she goes. I'll tighten this up, make sure it's snug. And we're good. I bet you that works. Backspace. That's all the way over. I'll smooth the carriage over here. That's it. So that guy fell out some time ago for sure. And okay, all right, well, that's a pretty good fix. I'll clean this motor up a little more and clean up this little residue that's in here that I couldn't quite get to. I'll definitely take care of that now. Some of this residue in here. All right, that's a good repair. There's some light there, you can see that piece. Yep, there's no other way to do that besides take it apart. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.